Here's this sorry soul. Other than because I wanted parts, it was because the scrapper was coming down the road, and he already had one in his truck. So I picked this up to spite the guy, because I don't scrap things out. I fix them so people can use them and they stay out of landfills. The previous owner's Junior got a hold of this thing and decided to start taking apart Daddy's lawnmower. Or what? But I mean, it is missing so many things. I mean, why would you take off the wheels? So it's beyond me why somebody did what they did here. So this will be a resurrection video, I think. Uh-oh. Guess we can't sell this in California. Good thing this don't look like California. There's Mama. She ain't happy with me. And this one actually has the safety bar. How about that, huh? There we go. Carburetor cleaner. Take it over here in case bad things start to happen. Oh no, it's the key. You lose the key. I also rescued this critter off of the curb yesterday. Oh, magic box of coffee maker. Please give me 3 more screws that look like that. It's a Craftsman. That's a Briggs & Stratton. I don't know how to turn this thing off. High quality. Good news though. I think the birds have finally flown away, so I can now enter and exit my own shop without getting attacked. We have a mail call here. And, I know exactly what it is, but I figured we'd open it on camera. I should know what it is because I ordered it. Okay. Guess what it is yet? Oh man. Okay. There it is. The engine, wheels, and the bag. The only thing I wish that I would have gotten, but I guess the guy didn't have it, was the engine cover. That's not a huge deal. So, all of this is in preparation for that. So, that's going to be next on our list to tackle. Let's get things set up. Okay, I think I scavenged everything I need off of the parts engine. Got the recoil there, which needs some oil, the gas tank, the carburetor, exhaust, the coil. And I think that's about all I need. I'm going to find out here. I'm going to grab the mower and get her up here on the operating table, and we'll commence the procedure. Okay. I just checked the flywheel key, and that is good. It is in one piece, just like we like it. Alright. This ain't gonna work. Okay. I have made a determination that this coil is junk, I'm fairly sure. And this coil, which I robbed from the other mower that I have to be fixed, gives a spark. So we're going to go with this coil for now, and let's keep going. I wanted to show you this little feature here. I thought this was quite ingenious. Instead of, who needs a cable to the handle when all you got to do is put a piece of coat hanger in place. Makes it kind of difficult for turning the engine off though. Well, you haven't missed much. Just I put the new dipstick in from the old engine because this is broken. Haven't missed much. Progress. It is now time for wheels. About as much as we're going to get tonight. I need a new carburetor. The other one is just too bad. I need to find the appropriate handle and cable for this model, because the personal pace ones must be shorter or something. But she's a runner, literally back from the dead. So see you in the next one. We'll keep working on this. This monster, if you'll remember, I got off the curb in pieces, put it all back together. Let's see if it'll start. It's got fuel on it. Need a little bit of oil. Grab that. It was running. Alright, well, we know it runs on prime. I'll take the bowl off and give her a check.